In the Krebs cycle, the acetyl-CoA that were made in the link reaction will be further broken down. Now remember, the acetyl-CoA molecules are the remains of the glucose molecules started in the beginning of the respiration. So by the time we are done with the Krebs cycle, our glucose will be completely oxidized and broken down to carbon dioxide. So let's check out how the Krebs cycle completes its breakdown. First, the acetyl-CoA reacts with four carbon molecules called oxaloacetate. This makes a six-carbon molecule called citric acid. This is the reason why we call the Krebs cycle citric acid cycle. Now, the citric acid cycle gets oxidized, transferring an electron and hydrogen to NAD plus to NADH. This oxidation reaction causes the release of CO2 as well. Now we have five carbon molecules. This molecule undergoes similar process of oxidation, producing another NADH and another CO2. Now we have four carbon molecules. These four carbon molecules undergo another chemical reaction that transforms it into a different four carbon molecules. The energy released by this reaction is used to join ADP and phosphate to form ATP. Our new four carbon compound molecule get oxidized even further, transferring electrons and nitrogen to different electron carriers called FAD, forming FADH2. Now the FADH2 serve the same purpose as NADH, carrying electron to the electron transport chain. The new four carbon molecules that result get oxidized one more time, forming even more NADH. This final reaction also results to our previous molecule oxaloacetate. This is why Krebs cycle is a cycle. We end up where we started. We noticed we made a bunch of useful molecules along the way. Perhaps we have produced many electron carriers, NADH and FADH2, that will carry electron to the electron transport chain. We also made ATP that can be used as energy as well as carbon dioxide that we breathe out when you exhale. So with this, I get to understand the Krebs cycle. My name is Oladipupo Oladide. So you can watch the process one more time. When we have the oxaloacetate, you can see the way the cycle moves. Um, how the electrons are being transferred through the transport chain and the product we get. So you can subscribe to my channel, and I'm always in for you on any science topic. Thank you very much, Master Lajide.